Hi, this is Hadas from Canva, and I'm excited to introduce to you LottieFiles. You can find LottieFiles within Canva and bring the power of animations straight to your design in Canva. LottieFiles has over 100,000 free, ready-to-use animations, and you can customize them easily to match your brand and use transparent and background-free animations. You can also use any of your color palettes. They are highly engaging and ultra lightweight, which means that they are 6 times smaller than a GIF with very high quality and fast load speed. As they say, tiny but mighty. You can also import your team's private animations and access all of their Lottie animations so you can insert them onto your Canva design in just one click. Did I get your curiosity high? This video is sponsored by LottieFiles. So you can start working with LottieFiles in Canva in 3 different ways. First of all, you can just head over to lottiefiles.com/Canva and get right here, install LottieFiles for Canva, click on it, and you're in. And then you're in, you can just use it in an existing design or a new design. Another way to do this is once you log into Canva, you can just head over here on the left to the Apps tab and just search for LottieFiles. You can see it here in this banner, and if you cannot see it, just type in LottieFiles, and there you go. The third way to do this is once you're inside a design, inside the editor, you can just scroll down to the apps, search for Lottie, and you'll get it right here. So let's get started. So let's say I have this template that I'd like to add some Lottie stickers to it. So once you get here, you can see these stickers. You can click on next and see some more and move forward. But let me just guide you through all these tabs. So you have the Discover tab, which is what you see right here, and you can filter this to featured, popular, or recent. You can also click on Workspace, and as you can see, I have my own workspace, which I had to create within the LottieFiles site. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in just a few moments. And then you have the import option. You can import your own LottieFiles one step at a time. So let's go to Discover and let's start with the easy peasy parts. So I'm going to pick some LottieFiles sticker right here. Let's say I'm going to go with heart because you do what you love. So let's say I'm going to go with this. Now you can see that I have these 2 arrows at the bottom. This means that this animated sticker can go on forever in a loop, or if I'm going to click on this, it's just going to run once. So I'm going to hit the loop option, and then you have the color palettes down here. You can pick any color palette that is already made for you, and once you click on it, you can see that the sticker changes its colors, or you can create your own custom palette. Just click on New Palette and hit the plus button and add your brand colors or any other color that you'd like. Okay, so I'm going to go with this color palette, and then I'm just going to scroll down a bit and click on Add to Design. Now it's just going to take a few moments and it's going to be added to my design. So there I have it. Let's say I'm just going to quickly edit this. And what I want to show you is once I resize this really dramatically, you can see that it's always super clear, crisp, and looks perfect. Let me zoom in. See how well it looks? Never pixelated. And you'll see that once you go to your Uploads tab, right here on the left, you'll find this Lottie sticker under the Videos tab. So that's one thing that we can do. The other thing that you can do, and I'm going to go back to my LottieFiles, is use the workspaces. Now, let me just head over to LottieFiles Studio, and then you can get started for free, open an account. You can always upgrade to Pro, but let's see what we can do with our own free account. And I'm just going to go to my dashboard. I've already created a profile, so I'm going to go to my dashboard. And right here on the left, you get this menu where you can create your own workspace. So I've created my workspace. With a free account, you can create 2 workspaces, and you can upload up to 10 Lottie stickers to each workspace, and this is absolutely free. So I'm just going to hit these 3 dots. I can invite members if I'd like. I can just add their email account and give them and manage the preferences, whether they're a member or an admin, or I can just copy the invite link from the bottom of this pop-up screen, or I can also copy invite link right here. And I can also go to the workspace settings. So once I head over to my workspace, you can see that my projects are empty. I have nothing in them yet. So I have a few options. I can upload an animation if I have any animations to upload, but if you do not have animations from other places, you can just use LottieFiles library. They have a huge library of LottieFiles. So let's head over to LottieFiles library. I'm just going to click back up here to the LottieFiles homepage. And up here, you just go to the Products tab. Underneath, you can see free animations, the marketplace, you can hire animators. Let's start with the free animations. Once I click here, I get access to the largest library of free animations. There is over 100,000 free animations for you to use. You can use these for personal or commercial use on the web, on apps, social media, and more. You can just either scroll down, or if you'd like to search for something specific, just go up here to the search bar, and let's say I want to search for a star. And I get all the LottieFiles that have stars in them. I can also filter this to price, free or premium, style, and filter this to AEP files. So as you can see underneath here, I have a few more tabs. So these are the featured LottieFiles. I can see the recent ones, the popular ones, and I can also go to animators. When I go to animators, I can search for specific animators that I like their style, and I can look at their LottieFiles collection. And if you like one of them, so you can click on their profile and view their collection, or you can just send them a request and a message, and maybe you can collaborate with them. Let me just close that, and I'll show you what happens when you click on their profile. So let's say I like shorts and tails. I really like the name. And I can see the 8 public animations and that I can use. So if I like this one, I can just click on it. I can save it to my own collection. I can like it and show my appreciation. I can also download this as one of these files. So I can also, as you can see, go here to the color palette and even change the colors of this animation. Another thing I want to show you, which is pretty cool, the categories. If you want to search by category, filter your search, you can go automatically right here to categories, and then you see you have all sorts of categories: meditation, people in community, hamburger animations, almost anything that you can think of, you'll have it right here. You can also search by countries. So you have a list here, and you can filter this to collections as well. You can discover and get inspired by Lottie animation collections curated by the community. So you can just scroll down here and do the exact same process by clicking one that you like, and then the same process all over again. You can click on one of the collections. If you want to use one of these LottieFiles, the same goes right here. You can download it, save it to your collection, appreciate it, and so on. Now I want to show you, I'm going to go to my dashboard, and I decided to go with a different LottieFile. Let's say I want an email LottieFile. So I've picked this one, which I really like. I'm going to click on download and save this to my workspace. Now let's head back to Canva. Just going to make sure it was added to my workspace. I'm just going to go back to my LottieFiles, click on workspace, go to my first project, and there it is. Now if I want to add this to my design, as you can see, I can still edit it from here. I'm going to add this to my design. And even after I add it to my design, I can still edit the colors. I just want to show this to you. Let's give it a few more seconds. There it is. And you can see that up here, I can still change the colors. So if I want it to be my brand colors, just change it as you like. I want to show you another cool thing that you have within Canva. You have a third tab, which is the import tab. You can import any file, any Lottie file that you have, and use it in your design. So let me show you how that works. I'm going to choose a file. There it is. I can edit it from here. I can change the colors, of course. So this works the exact same way you would do anything with Lottie's library. So once it's added to my design, go ahead and blend it in. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. You can create so many wonderful things using LottieFiles within Canva. I'd love to see what you did with it, so feel free to share that in the comments below. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.